Large explosion. Iranian proxy missile storage exploded in South Lebanon. A large explosion rocked southern Lebanon early Thursday morning, local Lebanese media reported, adding that there were no casualties. The cause of the blast, between the villages of Deir az-Zahrani and Komen Afuka, was not immediately clear. Videos posted to social media showed a huge fireball rising into the night sky. The area is a stronghold of the Hezbollah terror group. Al Arabiya reported that the area where the explosion took place isn't populated and that it is used to store Hezbollah weapons. Local media said Hezbollah activists were preventing reporters from accessing the areas. In December, some 12 people were reportedly killed when a weapons cache belonging to the Palestinian terror group Hamas exploded in the Burj al-Shamali Palestinian refugee camp in southern Lebanon. Israel has carried out dozens of strikes against Iranian and Iran-allied targets in neighboring Syria, including against Hezbollah. However, strikes against Hezbollah inside Lebanon are exceedingly rare. Israel accuses Hezbollah of storing vast amounts of arms and ammunition among the civilian population of southern Lebanon.